Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add effects and CapCut in 2023. Of course, CapCut is a versatile video editing app that offers a wide range of effects to enhance your videos. So of course in this video, we'll guide you through the steps or the process of adding your effects in CapCut. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser as an example, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type capcut.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or main screen of CapCut. And as you can see here, you'll be able to use CapCut in your browser to edit this video online if you want to. And even you'll be able to download it for your Windows. I suggest you to download it for your Windows because editing in your browser will lack some features, not a lot of features. So if you're fine with it, if you're going to do just a simple editing once or just this time, make sure just do it on the browser. But if you need to do it like every time and you would like every features or every feature that is provided by CapCut, make sure to go and download on Windows. As you can see, if you click on Edit Video Online, you'll be able to edit everything. Of course, if you have any projects in your account, as you see here, you will be able to log in into your account and you'll find every project that we have and we can start from it. For me, I'm just going to close this as an example. Just leave, and I'm just going to open CapCut as an app on my PC. Once it's open, as you can see, this is going to be the interface of it. I will have to log in into my account in the bottom right corner, or sorry, left corner, or sorry, top or left corner. And if I log in into my account from here and I made any projects and I log in into my account on another device, I'll find the projects right there so I can finish editing on it. So make sure to go log in into your accounts here and in any other device that you can use. Once you do so, of course, let's just go and click on the new projects here. And the first step, of course, is to import a video into a CapCut. So once I open the app, I'll have to simply go to this media and click on this plus button or import. Once you click on it, I'll be able to import whatever I want. So I'm just going to import, as an example, this video here. And of course, once it's imported, I'll have to add this video to the timeline. So once your video is imported, it will appear in the project timeline at the bottom of the screen if you click on this plus button, which will add it to the timeline. Or you can simply go and select it, then drag it out into the timeline. So choose whatever suits you. And of course, once it's added there and the editing workspace, you'll be able to start doing your thing. So as we said, we would like to add effects. So to add effects to your video, you'll have just to tap on the effects icon located at the top here. As you can see, we'll have here top options. So make sure to go and select effects. So here, as you can see, we will have a lot of effects. We have the video effects, body effects, and a lot of other effects. So we can see the effects correctly. Let me just go and add another video as an example, import. Go here and yeah, let me just go and choose this as an example, add this here and make it the same length and go to this, cut out, let's just remove the green screen here. As an example, just make it things. So yeah, that will be cool. Now if I go to effects, we'll notice any thing that will happen to this C right here and even the background. So if we add any effects, we'll notice that. So here, of course, we will find a wide variety of effects to choose from. So you can suit whatever suits you. As an example, just choose this edge glow. As you can see, you'll find the edges glowing on your video here. You select this low quality as an example, you'll find like the video is doing some low quality things. You can even go and add this as an example. So of course, when you click in here, you'll just preview it. But when you click on this ad, you'll be able to edit the blur, the color, the filters, the sharpen. This is just for this low quality effects. Of course, you'll be able even to add more than one effects as an example. You'll be able to add this with this. As an example, for the first of video, we'll have do low quality. Let's just reduce the blur and filter a bit. And yeah, this should be cool. Just do this, so you can adjust the settings however you want. And of course, this will happen the same for the other one. So you can adjust the speed. So every effect has its own settings. Of course, you can explore the effects categories example. So CapCut, of course, organized its effects into different categories for easy browsing. You can scroll through the categories such as filters, transitions, overlay, text, stickers, and more. So tap on the category to explore the available effects within it, and you can simply apply the effects. So once you choose whatever effect suits you, as an example, you can simply download it. If it's not downloaded, then simply add it to the timeline again. And once it's added, of course, you'll be able to edit. If it has any settings, you'll be able to edit it or to adjust the effects however you want. So of course, CapCut allows you to customize the applied effects to suit your preferences. So you can tap on the applied effects as an example, and on the right here, you'll be able to adjust the settings of it and access the adjustment settings for that effects. You can adjust the slider of or settings to fine tune the effects intensity, color, or any other parameter available. Of course, you can even combine multiple effects as I'm doing here. I'm combining now 3 effects. You can even go combine more if you want. Let me just go look for other effects as example. Let's just do this one. As you can see, this is going to be our video, or we can go and combine a lot of other videos. So simply, if we like it, go here and combines also. We can even change the speed, the color again, and of course, explore, we can explore different categories or effects here and combinations to create a unique and visually appealing result. And you can even apply the effects on any order and adjust their settings accordingly. Of course, once you finish adding effects to your video, it's time to preview it and export it. So you can simply tap on play here, just go to the full screen example and play the video. As you can see, this is going to be the first effect. A bit after that, I'm going to find another effects. Another effects now is applying. Another effects now is applying. So I can add how many effects that I want. So I can simply go, as an example, go to body effects now. And why not? Let's just add this effects as also. So once it's downloaded, click here on add, and you will find it added here as an example. And we will be able to preview the effects again here with, as you can see, Steve is moving with some effects. So once you're done, as I said, and you preview everything from here, you'll be able to export your video by clicking on export at the top right corner. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to change the title and where it should be exported. Then change the video resolution, bit rates, codec, format, frame rate, and cover. So change it to whatever you want. Of course, this will affect the size of the video, but it's not going to be a big deal. And of course, you can even export the video or the audio alone if you want to with the video. So once you're done with this, click on export and this will be exported on the desired folder. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added effects to your video using CapCut in 2023. So CapCut provides a vast collection of effects, allowing you to enhance your videos and unleash your creativity. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And of course, if you have any further questions, feel free to explore CapCut support resources or join their community for assistance. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.